In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these adorable little Valentine doily envelopes. They take just seconds to make and you can put a treat inside or a little note and they're really cute. So let's make one together. They just take a second. We have two pink ones here, so let me grab a red doily. Now you can get these in a pack at the craft store, and I got a mix of red and pink. You could also do this with one of the circular white kind that you may see too. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your doily and you're going to flip it over. Usually on the back is white and then the front is your color. So flip it over to the back and you're going to turn the heart upside down. Then what you're going to do is you're going to bring the sides in together so that they're just touching and not any farther than that. And then just give it a little bit of a fold. So fold it down the sides like that. And then you're just going to flip up the bottom like so. And make sure you're getting nice sharp creases like this. And then you're going to fold down this part, and that's going to be your envelope flap. Now, if you get a little bit of overhang, that's okay. It looks pretty because it has a nice little scalloped edge. And that is it for your envelope. Now, when you open it, you can tuck things inside. And I have these cute little sparkly hearts. So let's add one to our envelope. I have a pink one left. And so all I'm going to do is just stick that right on. Now, you could do a sticker, you could do a piece of washi tape, or even hot glue it closed if you wanted to. And then just kind of press it into place. And your little envelope is complete. And that is how you make a cute little Valentine doily envelope. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure and click the subscribe button to get all the latest Sparkle and Splatter video updates. Happy crafting, everyone!